pretty, talking. What else? What else? Do you like your new toy, Abby?
Doesn't like springtime, but there's nothing he can do. Yellow, red, down. I cannot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I've seen this machine.
Oh, okay. You okay?
The seasons machine is making the wind blow really hard. It's blowing the leaves off the tree.
You gonna talk anymore?
Change color.
You gonna talk anymore? What else?
It's blowing us back.
Yeah? Did you have a good night? A good sleep?
Run in. It's too windy.
Abby, did you sleep good?
Look, look.
Abby?
The leaves on the tree are
Abigail.
color.
Abigail.
And red and orange. Something tells me we're not in
Are you all done? You want to watch your little Einsteins?
springtime. Do the leaves turn colors and fall off the trees?
Who's so big? Who's so big?
What season
Who's so big?
all turn colors and fall off the trees?
What else?
Fall, right, autumn.
I'm listening.
Winter turns spring into
Tell Mommy and Daddy. Tell us.
Come on, Abby, tell us more.
baby tulips try to grow. In autumn, baby tulips.
Tell us a story. Tell us a story. All right, we'll watch your.
Lights on,
We'll watch your show.
lights off.
Can you fly rockets through this autumn wind? We have to, June. Prepare for blast off. Going to need a lot of power to blast off. Pat, 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 pat.
All right, say bye-bye.
June is patting.
Bye-bye.